Okay. Oh, beautiful.
Doesn't cut into the skin. If pain is your kind of parameter, then yeah, he's not complaining. But like I alluded to previously,
slow but firm pressure. So you can see now I'm using my body weight very gently. I'm loading into here. But I'm controlling how much pressure I'm putting in. I'm actually doing that by leaning into the couch. Okay? So what you can see is my hip is against the couch. So I'm not actually putting all my body weight into him.
really tight shoulders and he was getting severe impingement in the AC joint. So just a little bit of this.
Yeah, so when you're, see what's happening is when you're bringing your hand around, okay, so do that again. When you're bringing your, see this elbow should be up, body's not moving. Move your upper body as well. Okay, with this thumb, you're using your thumb at the moment. I want you to use your index finger. Okay, so that my wrist, my elbow, and my shoulder are kind of in line, and I'm using my body weight. Gently challenge and just bounce into that. Okay. So then the next segment, challenge into that with my body weight.
Alright, so I'm working here.
From there, and I can work into the Achilles. Okay? So I can direct it based on how he's feeling, where those tensions are. Okay. Taking that further, just come back for me. Okay, so normally I would do this if we were laying down. But let's see he's injured his toe. Really common in people like Rohan. So, okay, I'm going to give a little push just here. Keep the head loose, all the weight in my hand. Completely relax, let all the weight in my hand, so all floppy. That's good. Okay, again. Okay, perfect. Okay, I want you to sit up now nice and slowly.